Hello guys and welcome to my channel again. In the previous video we had discussed about forms and how we can create a full-fledged form with all the necessary things and tags. In this video we will discuss about how to create tables in web page. If you want to see any blogs regarding all the videos, you can check my website. The link will be in the description. So let's move to our editor. So the tag we use to create a table is a table tag. So in our table tag there are two main sections. There is a head section which we use to write the heading of the table, this is the tag we use for that is th tag, and for the remaining body we use t body tag. So as we know, there are two things in each table. There are rows and there are columns. So to display rows in a table, we use tr tag, which is table row, and to show columns in a table, we use td tag. But as this is a head section of the table, so in head section we use th tag. No, only simple th tag. And we can write anything here, just like name, color, age. So these three items will be the heading of our table. So in the body section, as we have to create a row again, so we will again write tr tag, but here instead of th tag we use td tag. So remaining all the rows will have td tag except the head or the main heading tag for the heading section. So here I will write the data. So you can see that we have a table on our web page which had a heading of name, color and age, and then we have a data of Munif, Blue and 21. So there are two rows and every row has three columns. So if we want to put another row in our column, so we will write tr again, and we will write again td tags, and now just put the data. So you can see that we have another row in our web page. So if we let's copy and paste and put couple of more rows in our web page. So you can clearly see the table. So you can see that there are 5 rows and each row has 3 columns. So there is one attribute I want to show you about the table, and this attribute is called bordered attribute. So as you can see that there is no specific lining or anything which shows that this is a table, and it is not looking very elegant. So there is a tag which we use, border. This is an attribute, and we give the size of border in pixels. So I will write 2 pixels. So you can see that now our table has linings and a proper setup on the web page. So you can make a table on the web page like this. So if you want to see the blog regarding this video, kindly check my website. So if you have any question and suggestions regarding the video, kindly comment below. In the next video we will see how to set up links in our web page. Thank you.